Hey everybody, this is Northern Ohio Railroad Action here. There will be no live stream tonight, Sunday, May 10th, 2020. Instead, I am doing a premiere video of February Rail Action 2020, which will be premiering this afternoon at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Please join me and watch the rail action that I captured for the month of February of this year. February 2020. I hope to see you there. And remember, there will be no live stream tonight, May 10th, 2020. I will do another live stream next Sunday, May 17th, 2020. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you this afternoon at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time.